Happy birthday to me. I'm kidding, my birthday is tomorrow. I just like took some nice pictures. I look so gorgeous. I look stunning.
Speak, understanding what my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my mind. You come around like a shade, and I see you, and I see you. Baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look.
Hi loves, I hope you're all doing good. Today it is this day. The time is currently 7 minutes past 5. It's my birthday weekend. I'm at Royal Hotel. As you can see, the pool, clean pool vibes. I'm here for his massage. What type of massage?
Sexy.
What's a sexy massage? What type of massage? Like a body massage with stones. These are the stones that they are using, I assume.
A relaxing one.
Or like foot massage.
The basic one.
The basic massage. I'm here for a basic massage. But it's okay. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I didn't know that I'm coming here, guys. I wasn't gonna wear jean. I'm wearing a jean. Guningi. The shoes they look nah, my shoes they look nice. No, they're not the same. They are not. No, oh, Omega. You want Omega.
This is Omega.
No. Guys, please tell me. Are these Omegas? No. No way. They look very nice. No. Never enjoy like this in my life. Oh, siyabonga, welcome. Done my facial for first time, guys. My skin, never mind my wig, the way it's sitting. My skin, it's breathing. We're done with our full body massage, and now we're going to do foot massage. I'm wearing my wig because we need to take pictures there. Yeah, Bonk, thank you so much. Did you enjoy? What did you enjoy the most? For me, back massage and facial. Take the cup, okay? So yeah, we're gonna go do a foot massage, and then we come back, we do what's it called, babu bathtub. The time is currently past 7, so it's late. Hallelujah, I'm hungry. Thanks, my love. Thank you so much. Never thought you'd do something like this for me. On a test day. So yeah, my loves, let's go. But here, we don't have sleepers. They didn't provide us sleepers, but we'll ask them. As yet, ne? But last time we find them in the room. I don't understand. I get to wait like a lie. Got a card, it says having a relaxing birthday. It's my birthday. Happy birthday. May life lost ones. The last one. We are always the last ones. The last ones. The last ones. Ooh, I feel so relaxed. Relaxed. Hi love, today is Saturday. Let's go to the salon. It's going to be my first time to install my wig at the salon.
Usisami usithengele uNando.
Sengikhokhe isamba sa-1,665. Kumele ubambe ibhasi before run ama-errands. Period. Hello?
Yeah, isang sasakon.
Ngapha ngena official M
921
921
862.
862. Ubuk 921 nje ungibhalela use.
Okay, ngiyabonga.
Kukhathalekile.
Yeah.
Okay. My sister bought me a cake and then now we're at McDonald's. You want ice cream? Ice cream for the boy. Awusawubona nhliziyo yami pinga right, but there is something off. Your car, baby. Abathi jem. Jem, aphuma inwele ebomvu kakushube kakhulu. Guys, khona akazi which should I wear? Oh, the one that we saw at Legit. They were gonna be nice, yes. I asked you which my tongue was going on.
Okay, done. Let's try another one.
Hey loves, it's still the same day at night. It's not late. My sister's just trying outfit that she's gonna wear tomorrow. I need to wax my armpits. Hey boo. Hlazi ntombazaneni. Ish, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
I am not with Metro anymore.
I am with changing the belt.
There's something I want to try.
Oh, okay.
These ones are too long. I'm telling my shorts.
Oh, you prefer it when it's short.
What happened? It's just tied up.
This is outfit number 2. Comfortable, comfy.
But Devin is not cold.
No, but we're in winter. So
Oh, Kathy! Don't do this, Baba, please. Yay! Why, Tiba Gucci?
why did you buy Gucci?
See, I'm a
I must have done that. He loves attention, you. How about the gym? Can't you be wrong? I was just calling. I'm putting it back.
Mommy.
I think I think it back.
Mommy. Mommy.
Bese mana
Mommy.
konke ngenzeka.
Mommy.
Khona into enzala lapha enkomeni. Yina My clippers. Yeah, ukozile manje. Uyabona? Ukozile mngani. Uvula lo la kahle. Abela pa manje sengikhiphile. Ish, ngiyabona. Ungathi isikhathi. Yena. Siswami angidingi so slaphe ngifake uplate. I don't know. Ngibona sesizabona. Can't I just take it out and put it in a plate or something? How much again? Yeah. Just like
It's
this.
nicer like that, yeah.
Oh, baby. Come. Oh. Beautiful, ne? This one's yeah. Happy birthday to me. I'm kidding, my birthday is tomorrow. I just like took some nice pictures. I look so gorgeous. I look stunning. My sister did my face, guys. I love this installation. I love the face. I look pretty. I'm wearing this. But I'm gonna change to jean. And should I change, Mgan? The reason I'm changing is because I don't want my pictures to look exactly the same as the pictures that I'm gonna take today. I'm going out with my sister and my friend. My sister bought me a cake. Hi, baba. Kimushe. Waiting for my friend. You've gained.
Talente. Sithenjena asazi ukuthi singakhetha any duka noma madam and say.
Yeah, friend.
Hello. Funa miyahlupha yazi ngisena
It's
phone.
network.
Network.
Friend, we can choose between Duka or Madam and Say.
Just
Angos.
say.
Okay, friend, says Figi. Let's go simin khona la mngani. We're confused. Like we're checking a restaurant
come to
around
Duka,
Florida. Yeah, come to Duka. So yeah, we see only 2 restaurants that we can go to, Madam and Say or Duka, but we prefer Duka. I've been there, I think like 3 times. You've been there how many times, Gani?
You've been good and so any rocket you've been there.
I've never
It's very, very nice.
It's very nice, hey?
So
Let's just like talk, yeah. That's good, hey?
semathandweni baby ngisemathandweni baby ngisemathandweni baby ngisemathandweni bona ngehlanya ngifuna wena bona wena wedwa ngisothandweni bona ngehlanya ngifuna wena ngifuna wena
Lightning. So
angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu
yes, she is.
angifuna omunye umuntu
Yes, Ray. Eh, akichupa.
Ngibona ngoku.
Hi, bona lana yini?
Hamgani, this is so sweet. Ngibona abangani abathandanayo, guys.
Thanks, friend. I love you too, friend. Ngana uthi ngisho
Sithathe video bengathi yakhala. You are so gorgeous.
Oh, thanks, my friend.
I hope you love your
Thank you.
gifts.
I love them. I love them.
You're
Thanks,
welcome.
my
I love you.
Thanks, friend. Change of location.
sothandweni la ngibona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena ngibona wena wedwa ngisothandweni la ngibona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena wedwa angifuna omunye umuntu
Uyabona, ubona ukuthi V. Ayibo. The older we get, sibabahle. Today it is my birthday. Morning, guys. Still early in the morning. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I'm so grateful to God. I'm not where I want to be, but I'm grateful for where I am. Yes, I knew it. So happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. So yeah, guys, I'm about to leave my sister's house. Yo, it's beautiful. I'm stunning. Guys, hair installation on point. Face beads on point. Kimushe, like I'm pretty. I'm pretty on my birthday. Okay. So yeah, guys, I'm about to leave my sister's house. I'm waiting for Ngolosi. Yesterday I enjoyed you guys. Went to Duka. Ended up going to Duka. It was so nice. Let me close this door. It's so disturbing. Yesterday we ended up going to Duka restaurant, and after Duka, it was so nice, guys. Duka, it's the restaurant I think it is like top food hundreds, savers hundreds. Aesthetic, hundreds. It's so nice, guys. So nice. And I love restaurant where they have like live music. So we enjoyed. It was me and my friend. You guys saw that. And after this, we went to Zai. I've never been to Zai. It was my first time. I've been to Duka, I think 3 times. I've been to Duka with Ngolosi 2022. Yeah. And then I've been to Duka with my sister long time ago. So it was my 3rd time. Yeah, it was my 3rd time. Guys, and then we went to Zai. It was Zaige. It's one of the restaurants like Tegwin. You know that's the restaurant that they have. Like you need to go to Zai. You need to be at Zai. You go to Florida, but you're not going to Zai. I'm trying to open the window because it's hot. The sound food. So yeah, guys, I went there. I didn't see much hype. I'd be lying if I say like there was a hype. So it's just like a chill. It's a good place to go with your friend or your partner. And then you just chillax there. You have like some chats. It's very, very good. Guys, let me show you the dress that I'm wearing. I'm wearing a dress. Let me show you. I'm wearing this dress. I got it from my sister. One thing about me, I will steal my sister's thing. On a good TV. Good see Leila. I forgot to show you guys. The flowers. My friend got me flowers, got me roses. Shout out to Talent. Oh, I love them. And then I have to lie and say, they smell good. Just like everyone else. Just because everyone, like friend, Mgan, Mabetole, I'm a flower. They always say, they smell nice.
They smell fresh, brother.
Yeah, I think it's better to say they smell fresh. She bought me flowers. I took pictures. I asked my sister to take me pictures. And then, guys, it's my first time. I don't know if I'll say it's my first time I've got a gift from a friend. Have you heard me saying I've received something from a friend, Ngani?
I don't know. I can't remember.
Nah. I'm sorry if I have received something from a friend because now I was about to say this is my first time getting a gift from a friend. Okay. So happy you guys. She got me this. Let me turn the camera. Kahle wena. Nga Adidas wabanjani mntwanini? Hi bo, SK. Dinosaur is coming. She got me Adidas. She got me something that I don't have. Love that. Ooh. Thank you so much, my friend. I love it. Love my gifts. Beautiful. It's nice, hey? What is this?
Young gas.
Oh my god.
Yeah, my.
As long as it's not mainly made with milk.
Let me double check on that one. If not, I can also ask them to put the holiday. Good morning, love. Today it is Tuesday. I almost say it's Monday, but yesterday it was my birthday. It was a holiday. Today is the Tuesday. I'm going to work. The time is currently 7:05. I so wish angigwa lapho. Thank you so much for watching my video until the end. I love you so much, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. I had an amazing birthday celebration. Thank you to everyone who wished me a happy birthday. Thank you to my sister, thank you to my friends, thank you to Ngolosi, thank you to everyone, to my family, everyone. Okay, so yeah, my loves, chats later. See you next time. Bye.